So we got another batch of bath bombs. I'll be doing quite a few today. I just finished the mint chocolate chip for now. I gotta wait for these to dry a bit before I do my cocoa butter drizzle on top. So then I'll finish that video later. Right now, I'm getting ready to do another square mold. Hold on. So, we got this going on still. But right in here, this looks like a love letter. You know, like it could be a love letter, but I'm actually going to call this one Heart-Shaped Box, based off of Nirvana's very popular song. I was actually not going to name it this. I was driving in the car the other day, and it came on, and I was just like, holy shit. That is going to be the name of this bath bomb. So, these are 100 milligrams CBD. I don't think that I told you guys the milligrams for the mint chocolate chips, but those are 100 milligrams as well. Today I'm going to, make these pink and white. I'm going to throw some rosebuds and dried rose petals in the middle of it, so when it opens up, you get some of the roses. The scent combination is actually based off of a Valentine's Day cake that I made last year. I'll actually go ahead and insert a clip right about here. Yeah, so this cake was raspberry. It was a lemon vanilla bean cake with raspberry rose jam and a chocolate espresso buttercream. So I didn't do the chocolate espresso buttercream kind of, scent in here, but I did do the, I did black raspberry, vanilla, freshly zested lemon. I added some rose in here, sugar crystals, and it has a little bit of cognac because the scent is rose, cognac, sugar, and oh my goodness, it smells like tea and roses, and it just seems like when I opened it up and smelled it, I'm like, this is missing something. This smells like something familiar. And at that moment, as soon as I said it smells like something familiar, my Valentine's Day cake that I made from last year popped up, and I'm like, yep, that's what we're doing. So it's raspberry, lemon, rose, I don't know. It's beautiful, it's floral, it's kind of fruity, it's clean, it's just, it's perfect. It's what every woman should have, need, and get into in their house.